Okay, so here is a demo on using the BandLab app. So just once you've opened BandLab, you click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, and this will open up the options for the project. There's various different projects to use. We want to use the green MIDI instruments project. So you select the MIDI instruments project, and then at the top you can scroll through different types of instruments. So let's use a guitar. So you click on guitars, and then you click once on the instrument, and it will save it to your cloud. And then the second time you click, it will open up the project and the music software. When you open it up the first time, it brings up the keyboard. I'm going to close that for now, just to show you how to add other instruments. So under the banjo, there's a plus button. If I click on that plus button, I can add another instrument. So again, I'll choose the green MIDI instruments section. Now, the little cloud button will bring up instruments that I've used before, which can save time. So I've used piano before. The play button is so you can listen to an instrument before you select it. So you have a little listen to the piano. Yep, I like that, so I'll click on it again, and that adds my piano. I'll close that. The last thing you want to do before you start recording is go to the settings, which is at the top, the third button, which is like a disc. It's like a settings symbol. You can set your tempo to make sure it's not too fast or too slow. You can either tap on that blue button at the speed you want, or you can just use the little arrows. And then when you record, you want to have a count-in, like 1, 2, 3, 4 before you start. So choose a 1 bar or 2 bar count-in for when you're recording. And then finally, at the very bottom on the right-hand side, you want to select the metronome. This is important for recording because this will keep your music in time. You can always turn off the metronome when you're listening back. Now, if we go back to our arranger window here, I select the instrument symbol to bring up my keyboard. So the little guitar head, the banjo guitar head. And then there's a little cue on the right-hand side near the top. This will keep my music in time. Once I press that, I can have a little practice. So I hit play, and I can have a little practice at what I want to record. So I will do something like that. So I press pause, go back to the beginning. This time when I hit record, I will get that 1 bar count-in. And then I start. And then I hit stop. And that's done. I've recorded my first bit of music.